share the secret of healthy, glowing and flawless skin home remedy. But first, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and do support. Let's start up with the ingredients. You need Multani mitti, aloe vera gel. I have taken Patanjali aloe vera gel which I use regularly, and 1 vitamin E capsule, rose water and 2 drops of badam oil. Now first take the Multani mitti in a bowl and let's add half spoon of aloe vera gel to it. And now let's add vitamin E capsule oil in it. Add 2 drops of badam oil only if you have dry skin. If you have an oily skin, then please skip this. And let's add some rose water to it. Now add some normal water for liquid-like consistency. Now let's mix it up properly and put it in an ice cube tray and keep it in a fridge until it turns to an ice cube. And now the Multani mitti ice cubes are ready. Let's apply it all over the face. Okay, so now I have applied it all over my face. Let's wait until it dries. Now that it is dry, let's wash it with a normal water. And ta-da! Now you can see my face glowing and smooth, isn't it? Now let's apply moisturizer or aloe vera gel to moisturize the skin and massage it gently. Now I prefer using aloe vera gel to avoid the oiliness in the face. Massage it in an upward direction to keep your skin young and uplifted. So I apply it on a weekly basis. You can either use it twice in a week for the best results or once in a week. You can see the best results in a month. Hope you like my video, so please don't forget to like and comment. If you be safe and stay healthy.